Today, I'm going to show you a super handy skill if you ever work inside Photoshop. How to quickly and safely duplicate your Photoshop document. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make an independent copy of your project, perfect for experimenting, revising, or backing up your work without worrying about losing your original file. Let's get started right away. First things first. Open up Photoshop. Make sure the program is fully loaded before moving forward. I know sometimes it can take a moment depending on your computer, so don't worry if you need to wait for a few seconds. Once Photoshop is up, open the document or photo you want to duplicate. You can do this by going to File and then Open, and choosing your image, or simply dragging your file into the workspace. At this point, your artwork or photo should pop up right in the main window. This is your starting point. Next, let's head towards creating that duplicate. Look up at the menu bar at the very top of your screen and find the option labeled Image. Give that a click. It's a quick move, but actually, this menu is packed with powerful tools for manipulating your document. In this case, we're looking for the Duplicate option. You'll see it just a few lines down. Go ahead and click Duplicate. A dialog box will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to make a copy. You can rename the duplicate if you want, maybe adding copy or a new description to keep your files organized, especially if you're trying out different edits or effects. If you're feeling creative, this is your chance. But if you just want a quick copy, you're fine to leave the default name and press OK. Think of this like making a photocopy of an important document before you write notes all over. It gives you total freedom to experiment. Now, check out the title bar at the top of your screen. You'll see that another tab has appeared, right beside your original document. This is your duplicate, an exact copy of your original file, layers and all. This step can be a little confusing at first, but remember, each tab is like a new clean page, completely independent. You can switch between them by clicking on the tab. All changes you make to one will not affect the other, so feel free to go wild with filters, cropping, or color corrections on your copy, knowing your original is safe. And that's literally it. You've duplicated your Photoshop document. It's a small move, but honestly, it's a lifesaver. If you ever want to test different creative ideas side by side, prevent disasters, or just have a safety backup, this method is your go-to. The duplicate is just waiting for your edits, so grab it and see what you can do. I hope this Photoshop tip helps you stay creative and secure in your workflow. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know any questions or ideas in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more smart tips and creative skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.